Hello students, previous class we have explained our previous chapter, that is algebraic expression. Last exercise, that is self practice 5C. Now our chapter is that is over completed. I have explained each and every question. Most of the question I have explained. Just I have left some question for your practice. Now we have to go for our next chapter, that is linear equation in one variable, chapter number 6. Okay, so in this also algebraic, we have to relate it with algebra only. We have to relate it with variable and constant only. Okay, but in this we will come across highest power one only, means variable, only one variable will come, either x, y, z, a, b, c, d, any one. For whole expression only one variable will come. That's why I written one variable. And linear means which has variable power highest degree is 1, highest power is 1, that is called linear expression. So in the equation also I have written, if two algebraic expression which has highest power 1 on variable separated with equal sign, means in between two algebraic expression or one algebraic expression one constant is there, with in between has equal sign, then whole expression is called linear equation. Whole expression is called linear equation. That's why here word is can be equation. Equation means equality sign is there. Means here equal sign is there. Just see in the example, 2x plus 3, one algebraic expression, and another algebraic expression x plus 1 is there. And here also see here highest power is 1. Here also is highest power 1. That's why it is linear word is came. Okay, and equation, that's why equation came because in between has equal sign. That's why it is called linear equation. And one variable means in whole expression, this side and that side, LHS part or RHS part, both has same variable x. That's why it is called one variable. Okay, so this one is called left hand side, and after equal to sign, this is called RHS, right hand side. Okay, so 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 1, one algebraic expression. Like that, maybe same time, sometimes this type of equation will come. One in LHS algebraic expression, and RHS constant, maybe there constant integer, fraction or decimal maybe, or 0 sometimes also. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 7. So this one is also a linear equation. And here question example 4. In example 3, x upon 4, this one is also given in rational number, or you can say in fraction, is equal to 1 upon 8. So this type of equation also will come linear equation because has highest power 1 and variable is also 1. After that, minus 2y upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 7 is there. So this one is also called linear equation with one variable. Now 0.5x is equal to 1.5. So this one is in decimal and this one is also in decimal. So this one is also called linear equation. Sometimes coefficient will be decimal also, and this type constant also will be either decimal or rational number or fraction. And sixth example also, just you see 1.5x plus 2.5 is equal to 1, and next 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 plus x. So these are the example of linear equation. And just you see here 2 upon 3 plus y is equal to 3 upon 3 minus 1. So these are the linear equation. Okay, now we have to go for solving part, means we have to go for our next exercise, that is self practice 6a. In that we have to solve the linear equation. We have to find the value of variable. That in that case, what number in place of x, what should we put here? Then it will come equal to 11. So like that, in this situation we have to solve the equation. For that we have to use, already we have this chapter we have already studied in the 6th class. In that class we have learned about solving the equation by two methods. One method is inverse operation method, second method is transposition method. So in this class we will do only use transposition method. In this means we have to transpose the number constant one side and variable one side. key variable LHS side and constant most of the cases in the RHS side. So now this one is 2x plus 7 is equal to 11. So this one is constant and this one is also constant, and this one is called variable term, means this one is variable. So just transpose this 7 in RHS side. In this case, if we are transpose the number or any times algebraic expression or any times variable, in that case we have to change the sign. Okay, so the 7 is this one, so just transpose this side, then it will come here, plus sign is there, then it will go in that side, then it will come minus. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 7 will come. Okay, so now we will subtract here. Okay, so 11 minus 7, how much will come? Then it will come 4. Now here 2x is equal to 4. In between nothing written means my multiply sign is there. So 2 coefficient x is there, x is coefficient 2 is there. So in between multiply sign is there. So just you transpose this 2 in that side also, because we have to find only x, not 2x. So we have to find value of x. So just separate the all, just put the all the constant in that side. So this 2 will go in that side, then here multiply sign, then it will go in that side, then under it will come division. So x is equal to 4 upon 2, upon will come. Now we have to cancel out 2 to the 4. So value of x is equal to 2. This is our solution of this equation. Okay, like that we have to solve these types of linear equation. Now in the b part, 8 plus 5y is equal to 23 is given. So we have to find value of y. What should we put here in place of y? Then after solution it will come 23. For that we have to find the value of y. For that we have to solve the equation. In that case we have to again transpose this 8 in this side, RHS side. So 5y will be here this side only. Now we have to transpose this 8. Here nothing written means plus. Though then it will go in that side, then it will come in minus. So 23 minus 8. Just you subtract 23 minus 8, it will come 15. So just write down here 15. Okay. So 5y is equal to 15. We will write down here 5y is equal to 15. Again here nothing written means multiply sign is there. Then 5 will go here this side, and it will come in division. So we will write down here y is equal to 15 upon 5. Now we have to cancel out 3 jump. So 5 3 are 15. Y value is equal to 15. Sorry, y value is equal to 3. This is the final answer of this equation. Y is equal to 3. Okay. Now in the D part, y upon 7 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we have to find value of y again. Here fraction is given. First of all, this just transpose this 1 in this side, then it will come in minus. So we will write down here y upon 7 is equal to 3 minus 1. Okay. Now just subtract 3 minus 1, then it will come 2. After then, what will do? Y upon 7, here fraction is given and here 2 is given integer, means just nothing written in lower part, means denominator part, just you write down here 1. Okay, now you cross multiply here, we have to do cross multiplication method, or you can just do like this, means here upon means y upon 7 means y divided by 7. So this 7 will transpose in that side, then it will come in multiplication, means 2 multiply 7 will come. Or you can do cross multiplication, means y upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 1, just cross multiply here like this. So it will come y into 1, y only, and 2 into 7. After multiplying it will come 14. So y value is equal to 14. This is the final answer. Okay. Now in the question number F also same process we have to do. Again transpose first of all this 9 in that side. So it will come x upon 3 is equal to 1 minus 9. Now we will subtract 1 minus 9. How much will come? Then it will come minus 8. Okay. Now again we have to do cross multiplication method, means we have to write down here 1, then cross multiply. Just write down here x upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 1. Now cross multiply here, then it will come x into 1, it will come 1 x only, and 3 into minus 8, then it will come minus 24. So final answer is x equal to minus 24. This is the final answer of D part, F part. Okay, x is equal to minus 24. Now in the question number first we have completed. Whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay. Now question number 2. Here a 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 7 is given. In this side also variable is and constant. This side also variable and constant. So again we have to separate variable one side and constant one side. So just you transpose this one in the RHS part and this x in LHS part. So we will change the sign again. So just write down here 2x minus x is equal to 7 minus 1. So we will write down here 2x minus 1x, then it will come x, and 7 minus 1 it will come 6. Directly answer is came, x is equal to 6. This is the final answer. Okay, so solution of this equation is x is equal to 6. Now in the C part, 3y is equal to 8y minus 15. So again we have to transpose this 8y in this side. Okay. So 3y here plus sign is written, so it will come in minus. So just write down here minus 8y is equal to minus 15, because here minus sign is there, so it will not change sign because there will be no, we have not shifted anywhere. So this one is same side only, so minus will be there only. So now we will subtract here minus 3 minus 8 minus 5y will come is equal to minus 15. Now again we have to find value of y. So again we will transpose this minus 5 to this side. Here multiply sign is there. So this will come go in that side. Then y will come minus 15 divided by minus 5. It will go in divide. Minus minus will get cancelled and 5 3 are 15. So y value is equal to 3. Final answer is y is equal to 3. Now in the F part, 7x minus 18, 7z minus 18 is equal to minus 288 plus 2z. So again we have to shift the variable this side and constant that side. So this 18 minus 18 will go in that side and this 2z will come in LHS part. Then we will change the sign to 7z. This plus is there, so minus 2z will come here is equal to minus 28 is as it is same as it is, and then minus 18 will go in that side and then it will come in plus 18. Okay, now we will subtract here 7 minus 2, it will come 5z. Okay, is equal to minus 28 plus 18, then we will subtract here minus 10 will come. Now here multiply sign is there, then it will go in that side, so z is equal to minus 10 upon 5. Now we will cancel out, 2 will come. So minus 2. So z is equal to final answer is minus 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Like that you have to do in the question number 2, whatever I have left. Just try yourself. Okay. That's all.